Hey everyone! First of all, thank you to all of you who applied to become affiliates for my ebook Tools and Apps for Your Online Business. I really appreciate your support and I'm excited that we can grow together through this. Now, let's go through a quick step. I received a question. Where can you find your affiliate link? The only way to sell this my ebook is, as you know, through affiliate link. For those of you who don't know what is affiliate marketing, I wrote about this in my blog, so I can send it to you, or you can DM me to understand more what is affiliate marketing. In any case, the question was, where can you find your affiliate link? So uh, you'll use this link to promote the ebook and you will find it in and to sell it, you will find it in the settings, right? So you go to settings, you scroll down, and you will see referral URL. So this is your link. Just go to copy and that's it. You paste it in your mails, in your messages, right? Or wherever you promote it. So once your application is approved, you'll receive the ebook from me for free. So you'll know exactly what you are promoting. And you will go to settings and you will find your link here. Okay, stay tuned because I'm preparing more useful materials to help you sell better, reach more people, and make the most out of this affiliate opportunity. Let's do this together. Bye.